Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Livened up my camera equipment a little bit better. Hopefully you can hear me a little bit better. Before I was using an enclosed case on the GoPro. Now I got an open one. I ordered a new microphone, so hopefully sound quality is better. Everything should be a lot better now. Been a few changes to the car since my last video. Got the Catless downpipe that I was talking about for Christmas. And the next day I put it on, put everything on, and honestly, I love it. The only thing I still have stock in the exhaust system is the resonator. I might do a resonator delete because it is a little bit weird up at the higher RPMs. The exhaust sounds like, I can't really explain it, but it seems like there's too much going through the exhaust, if that makes sense, or through that little resonator. So, but the car sounds amazing. Love the way it sounds. I got the new boost solenoid because I was running a little bit light on boost, so that's fixed. The only thing now is I got the check engine light for the blown cat. I think that's what the check engine light is for. Yeah, it's kind of what I figured was going to happen, but I'm going to get that tuned, or get this tuned hopefully soon or in the next couple of months when all the holiday bills get paid off. So there's that. Camera's at a different angle. I have a windshield mount for it instead of the dash mount. I'm gonna try this out, and we'll see how I like it. I'll try and put a full throttle clip in there for you, just to see the sound difference. I gotta do another exhaust clip with the cat out. Let's see how it sounds from the mount I have in the back. So we'll see. And then the wastegate does have the adjustment. I've adjusted it all the way to 6 millimeters as I was doing the cat. So hopefully the boost, or it is holding the boost all the way through to redline. A little bit of a clip for you, but I'm trying to find a safe open spot to show. I'm going to work, so might be a short video. We'll see what happens. Nothing really car related in the media wise. I'm just talking more about my car today. I think that's what I want to do, is just talk and build my car. I want to see if I can get a video in with these people are idiots. The Pennsylvania people are fucking idiots. But, so excuse my language, but gotta be honest with you. The car does spit a little bit once in a while, like shifting and stuff. At the top end you can hear like a little bit raspy, like the exhaust tips are shaking very violently, which is like setting off the sound waves. But we'll see if I can see if that's actually happening, and if I can just like hold it or secure the pipe so it doesn't vibrate. So we'll see what happens with that. car still runs fine. Let's see what happened. The car does run. It still runs fine. It doesn't run like it's sloppy or anything, or stutters. It's just like lately, since it's been really cold out, I started it up. It starts at like 2,000 RPMs and just stays there for like 5 minutes. That has never happened before, but I mean, I let it just do its thing, and then like the RPMs came down today. I left it out for, I think it was like 7 minutes that I clocked it, that it started coming down. But it's what, 10 degrees out right now, so it's a little cold, I'll be honest. But I'm thankful I do have the heated steering wheel, heated seats, 2 front seats. I wish there was something they could do about this cold shift knob. Honestly, like, I'm glad it's not leather or any other type of cheap material that'll rip off, but like this metal ball or aluminum ball is cold, very cold. Usually wearing gloves driving, but I left the gloves at the house, so. And we'll see what happens. I want to do a few more things so I can get the angles right and get the sound correct with how I want the GoPro and how I want it to stand and pronounce itself, you know, like just have good quality content come out through what I have right now. Yeah, my hand's cold as hell right now. Like I said, it is 6-speed, new clutch, new 6-speed, or rebuilt 6-speed, because I destroyed the first 2. But that's for another video. I'll explain what happened with that. I got the tranny at my house. It's just, do I want to open it up and see what happened to it, or just sell it? So we'll see what happens. Yeah, but other than that, like, I've got to do an exhaust clip and see how I like it from there. Some of my exhaust clips were at nighttime, so you don't really see anything. But I'll try and do one during the day to resemble the different sounds. But it sounds amazing. I love the way it sounds. Like, you could look on YouTube and just find whatever, you know, like the sounds of these cars. And honestly, hearing them through YouTube or your camera doesn't give it justice at all. Like, it sounds amazing. So we'll end with that. I don't know what the next video is going to be about. It might be checking up on the downpipe, seeing how everything works. Might be in my garage. I don't know yet, but stay tuned, subscribe. I want to try and get this channel up and alive. I got some cool things in mind to do, like especially with stick. Like, what happens if you turn off the car while the stick's in gear? Like, it's just stuff like that. Like, I want to see what happens if you do something like that. But other than that, like, I got good ideas. I think I could bring out good content, and informative content is another thing that I want to do. And hopefully I can gather up the fan base and we can take it from there. So thank you. I got 1 loyal subscriber. I want to thank you. But let's try and get the subscriber base up. I want to try and get the views up. And let's just build it from the ground up. Thank you. Stay tuned for more. Like, comment, and subscribe.